Hello guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to set up email alerts using a platform called Ctrader. Ctrader is just a platform like MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. So this is what you need to do. The first thing is to come here, you click on settings, these settings here, and then you come on email alerts here, and then you check here. Okay, so you check here. If you want to receive email alerts about take profit, you check here, and then you come down here. If you get to look at here, you can see your email appearing here. Okay, so whenever you get to have those alerts, it will be sent to your email. Okay, if price hit take profit or hit a stop loss or a pending order has been filled, you will get those notifications. And if you want email statements, you can click here, but for me, my broker sends email statement every midnight, so I don't need to click here. And if you want to subscribe for newsletter, you can do so, and if you want notification on login, you can do so. Okay, so how do you actually set up alerts for your analysis? So let's take you were doing your analysis, and this is the significant level here that you have identified. Okay, so what you're gonna be doing is to come to that level, and then you right click, okay, on your mouse. You right click on your mouse, you're gonna have these options here. Okay, and then you can see here you have set price alert bid greater or equal to. Okay, set price alert at ask or at ask greater or equal to. Okay, so you can set up your email alerts using either one of these two here. So let's just set here, we want to sell when price get to this level here. So let's see, we have it. So boom, you have your email alerts right now. So when price get to this level here, you're gonna receive an email notification. Unfortunately, on the web browser, because this one it's on the web browser, because I'm using a Mac, so I can't download the application. The application it's only supported on Windows. On Mac it's not supported, so I'm using a web version of it. So but if you can click on option, if you can just browse and get here, click on option on the Windows, you will get an option to even write the message and explain what is really happening, what's the notification all about. You can write and say, okay, this level there is a daily order block and blah blah, so that when the notification comes, you definitely know that this is all about this. At the time of my analysis, this is what I saw. So you can do that. When price gets to that level, you will get an email alert. So basically that's it. But before I leave, Ctrader, it's a platform that is not supported by any broker. So one thing you need to do is just to look at search brokers that support Ctrader. In this case, I'm using ICMarkets. So you can just search and say Forex that supports Ctrader. So you can look at the Forex brokers that support Ctrader. Okay, so you see 8 best Forex brokers with Ctrader. Okay, so you can see, you can click here and then you get it. You can look for another guy and then you get it, featured Ctrader broke. You can click at their official website and then you get to see the list of brokers. So you can see this is the list of all the brokers that support Ctrader. So on the next video, we're going to be looking at how to actually set up multiple take profit. Let's say you enter a trade with one lot size. You can actually be able to split your take profit. Okay, so let's take, you say price move 20 pips, I want to close 0.5 of that one lot size. You can actually do it with Ctrader. It's for free. So we'll look at that on the next video. Shalom.